Hey, how's everyone doing? My name is Esteban Ramos. I'm a master barber with the Art of Shaving. Been with the Art of Shaving for 4 years at the UTC location here in San Diego, California. Hope everyone is staying safe and healthy out there. Um, and today I'm going to be showing you how to basically maintain your beard daily and what you should be doing on a daily basis to make sure it's looking fresh, looking clean, looking in tip-top shape. And I'm about to show you. So for basic maintenance, what we're going to do first is we're going to make sure the surface of the beard and everything is nice and clean. I'm going to be using Art Shaving Beard Wash. And you just want to grab some warm water, wet your beard if you haven't already done so. Beard wash and conditioner is something that you can easily add into your shower routine. Just for the purpose of showing you guys, I'm just going to do that here today. Make sure my beard's nice and wet. We're going to be pouring not too much, about a dime to nickel size worth. I'm going to show you guys. Not a lot. Always lather in your hand first and then into the beard. Once you get it good in there, don't forget to get the mustache. You're just going to rinse it out in the sink. With a towel. Next is our Art Shaping Beard Conditioner. Once again, just like the shampoo, the wash, just a little bit. Emulsify your hand a little bit and rub through the beard. And then we're gonna let that sit for a little bit just to make sure it gets soaked in the beard and moisturizes the beard well. So one of the first things you want to do with your beard before you start putting oil or anything like that in there, take your beard trimmer. I put mine at 4.5 millimeters. I don't know if you can see that. Just take my word for it. 4.5 millimeters. I feel like this is a great length for almost any beard style. Basically, what you're gonna do is touch up the edges, make sure there's no stragglers, make sure it's not too poofy on the sides. If you have a shorter beard length, I would go probably down to like 3 millimeters, but always start on the higher setting, 4.5 millimeters, and work your way down. For longer beard styles, when you're kind of going down underneath, I always recommend leaving a guard on. It's going to help you prevent from going in too far. All right, once the beard's all trimmed up, washed and conditioned, it's time to kind of put in a little bit of beard oil. For my beard length, I do about 5 to 6 drops, depending on the length of the beard. That's all you really need. Anything longer than what I have, continue using 5 to 6 drops. You don't really need too much. But get it nice in there. Then you're going to use a beard brush. I'm using the Kemp brush. Make sure you're using a natural bristle brush. Natural bristle brushes are actually going to help disperse the beard oil more evenly throughout the beard. It's also going to help exfoliate that skin underneath. Brush it through. If you're not brushing it and you're combing it, make sure you use the wide end of a comb. I do both because I have a naturally curly beard, so I'm making sure to get those knots out. It helps. It also helps the longer beards to kind of go with the comb through at the end of it, and it smooths everything out. Now, if you're using a wax or a beard balm, this is the time I recommend putting it in. For me, having a longer beard style, if I'm going somewhere nice, somewhere fancy, somewhere I need to look good, I'll put in a little bit of balm or a little bit of wax just to make sure it keeps its shape and it stays nice. Today I'm not doing much, so I'm not going to put anything in. Alright guys, I hope everyone's staying safe and healthy out there, like I said. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below in the comment section. Reach out to our team. You guys have a good one.